To obtain a new modem from Spectrum, it is essential to understand their replacement policy. Spectrum offers free replacements for modems that are damaged or defective, provided the issue is with the device itself and not a result of mishandling. To initiate the replacement process, visit the Charter USA website and complete the order form, which can be accessed through a provided link. Once the order is submitted, wait for a response from Spectrum. They will send a new modem via mail, along with a return label for the old one, which can be used to send it back or disposed of accordingly. The new modem is pre-configured for connection to the Spectrum network. However, using it will incur a monthly rental fee. To avoid this fee, consider purchasing a modem instead. Spectrum's website lists authorized modems, accessible through a link, which can be used to find a compatible device. By following these steps, getting a new modem from Spectrum is a straightforward process.